If you just want to find out if your fuel pump is running, then there are two simple ways that you can do this, and neither way takes any tools whatsoever. The first one that I'm going to show you is not the easiest because you need someone to help. But the other way that I'm going to show is one that you can do all by yourself with no help at all. Have someone turn the ignition key on for you. Listen for the fuel pump noise at the filler inlet. You should hear something like this. Okay, that is not the sound of this fuel pump. First, you want someone in the driver's seat with the seatbelt on, with the doors closed, so that none of the bells and whistles go off, so that you can hear the fuel pump noise because it only stays on for a second or two. Also, make sure that the radio is off and the air conditioner and heater is off so that there are not any blower sounds. Have your helper slowly turn the ignition switch one notch at a time until all of the warning lights go on, but not so far that it tries to start the engine. And then, at the same time, listen for the pump noise, which of course means the pump is working. It should sound something like this. The other way you can do by yourself, but it may not be as easy to hear the fuel pump noise. Simply sit in the driver's seat and listen. Again, make sure that everything is off with the doors closed and the seat belt latched. But this time, make sure that all of the windows are closed so that any outside noises will not hinder your ability to hear the fuel pump noise from the inside. Now, if you do not hear any noise at all, that does not mean that the fuel pump is not working. Some cars will not actuate the fuel pump before starting if the fuel line is already pressurized. For that reason, make sure that you are completely ready the first time before the fuel line is pressurized. Other cars will make a fuel pump noise every time anyway. If you cannot hear the fuel pump running, then you will need to see if there is pressure in the lines by watching my other video on how to check your fuel pump pressure the easy and fast way. I will leave a link to it in the description below this video. Please leave a note, suggestion, or question in the comments section below because I will read and reply back to every single one. And also, click on the like button as these will both make my efforts worthwhile. And thanks for watching.